everyone. Do you consider yourself environmentally sustainable? Please raise your hands. We would love to hear more about what you are doing. Unfortunately, this format makes it difficult to talk. But let's just ask a few people we heard. Let's just take a few statements we heard from people during the last few months.
I eat less meat.
I take the bike.
I recycle.
I eat more seasonal.
And so on. People are gaining more awareness around the topic of sustainability. Some are trying to adapt behaviors. However, we are often stuck in our habits, and the complexity and lack of transparency lower our motivation to take action. This is why we have been trying to solve the challenge: how might we create value for early adopters in the field of sustainability in order to capture the mass market in 5 years? Let's meet Beno. Beno is considered an early adopter for our solution, since he has a mindset with a strong sense of responsibility for environmental issues. He tries to be more sustainable by eating less meat, wearing clothes from fair trade shops, and so on. But similar to many other people, he doesn't know if what he is doing is enough and if he has an impact overall. What if someone could guide him in his daily life and give him the transparency and opportunity to have the impact he's looking for? Let's also meet Bianca, who is driven to realize her sustainable project idea, a zero waste store in St. Gallen. But she needs funding and support to do so. What if there exists a place where she can share her business idea and get support?
Here comes the Compass, an application that gives individuals transparency on their behavior in regards of sustainability, inspires for alternatives, and enables people to have an impact by using collected cheers to realize sustainable projects. Let's see how Beno is using the app. After linking the preferred third-party apps in the Compass, Beno can automatically collect cheers for sustainable behavior in different life areas. Beno has access to 6 different life areas, where he can get a score to learn how sustainable his behavior already is and what alternatives could help him to improve. In every area, Beno can get inspiration on how else he can make his lifestyle more sustainable. He will get personalized information about suitable stores around him, new products, DIY tricks, recipes, and so much more. The Compass gives Beno a holistic view on his behavior he couldn't get before. Additionally, he can have an impact and support project ideas like Bianca's by giving her the cheers he collected. Bianca will then get access to funding, and once the project is realized, Beno benefits again, since he has another alternative for shopping. And together, they impact the whole community.
Well, we introduce you to our 2 core stakeholders, the users and the entrepreneurs. To understand the entire concept, we need to explain the other stakeholders, we need to make it work. Our key partners in the ecosystem are sustainable stores or service providers, where users can collect cheers. By being connected to our application, they get access to a customer base and can advertise on the platform. Then we have the investor community. They give money to fund the projects that were cheered on the most. There are corporates who can do this as part of the sponsoring, or individuals who can invest via a crowdfunding platform. You might ask what role Postfinance plays in all this. Our vision is that Postfinance will take a leading role in driving sustainable behaviors for the young generation in Switzerland. They will give individuals an opportunity to understand their behavior and provide a platform to coordinate sustainable business ideas and support entrepreneurs during their initial steps. To conclude, for Beno, we provide a compass to help him improve his sustainable lifestyle. And for Bianca, we provide a platform to get funding and support to realize her project idea.
Do you already consider yourself to be a Beno or a Bianca? Or do you want to learn more on how the Compass could support and inspire you? We are happy to welcome you in our Q&A session and answer any questions you might have. Let's collect, learn, and finally have an impact together. Stay tuned.